Elsewhere, more than 500 residents of Kavunyalalo village in Malindi Sub-County, Kilifi County have benefited from a new solar-powered water project that aims to improve their living standards. The initiative is a partnership of Danco Plastics Limited and AMREF. The project involves installation of water pipes and related fittings to pump water from the newly completed borehole project to their homes and farms. Residents say that the initiative will not only ease their struggle to access water, but also boost agricultural productivity.
Shambani, ile gharama tulikuwa nayo mwanzo, sasa ni kama imeondoka. Tunapata ni gharama tu ya kuweka tractor shambani na madawa tu kiasi.
Are very strong believers in building for future generations. This project spoke to us because this was an opportunity for us with AMREF to actually make that a reality today.
This means that these communities are able to generate more revenues in terms of agriculture, and this translates to higher profits, and this also translates to increased personal disposable incomes.